Welcome back, guys and gals. I think today we're gonna do a campfire cook video. So come along with me and my son. Let's go cook some good food. Gotta retreat down the clevis. I just cut this piece of fat wood and I revealed some gold. Oh, look at that gold. Good old fat wood. Does the trick every time. Mushroom bacon burgers on the menu, guys and gals. Dylan just foraged us some berries.
Like a bear.
You ain't got that bacon done yet? Oh, your job. You're the master chef. You better start cooking it. Check out this Mora. My YouTube brother Mike sent me. First one I've ever held. Feels great in the hand. Let's see how she feathers. I have to say, I'm impressed. Thanks again, Mike. Yeah, Ruby's not spoiled at all.
Not even a little bit.
You just ain't living unless you're eating food off the fire, my friends. Bacon. Now that we got our mushroom slathered on top of our burger, I'm gonna go ahead and put a layer of pepper jack cheese here. And then I'm gonna take some bacon on the top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put another piece of cheese on top of the bacon. See there? And that's how it's done, my friends. Time to plate these bad boys up here.
What would you say that is? Half pound?
Oh, I'm gonna say that's closer to 3/4. That's gotta be closer to a pound, though.
Can't forget that stuff.
Oh, let's cut into it and see what we got here.
Excuse me. Okay.
Bacon, mushroom, pepper jack, tomato burger. both could barely get it down, the last bite down the hatch. I gotta say, that's one of the best burgers I've ever chowed down. What about you?
It's a hell of a bacon eater.
We even got dessert. Well, Dylan took off on me. He had a hot date, so I'm gonna stay out here the rest of the night by myself. Alone. My buddy Rebar just uploaded a video. Check it out.
Oh, that is so awesome. Oh my word, what did I triple? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. What's in it? Holy cow.
Look at that.
Thank you, Brandon, Bucky Brandon.
Thank you, Bucky Brandon,
Christmas in
too.
July, dear. I will wear it, Bucky Brandon, and they will come. You getting them?
This looks like it's gonna be tonight's latrine. I got my tent set up, and like I said, Dylan left me, so I'm gonna be staying out here all alone by my lonesome. What the hell? Did you hear that? Not sure if it was a coon. Could have been a possum. I have to stay on my toes out here. I stayed up long enough. It's past my bedtime. I'm gonna have to hit the sack. See you guys in the morning. What the hell? Did you hear that? What the? There's something outside my tent. Holy shit!